Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chocolate lava mug cake. It's very easy. The first thing we're gonna do is add 4 tablespoons of plain flour, Now what we're gonna do is add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, some 3 tablespoons of sugar, now what we're gonna do is add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients. Now what we're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Now I'm going to mix it in and I will show you when it's all mixed in. I have mixed it all in and you can see it's like a very thick consistency. So I'll just add 1 tablespoon more milk and mix it in. Now it's all mixed in. It's a very smooth consistency, and now what we're going to do is add 1 teaspoon of Nutella in the middle, but don't mix it in or else it won't be a lava cake. The Nutella is in now and we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. There's been 2 minutes and now we're gonna take it out. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. Completely done now. It's ready to serve. You can serve it with fresh cream, fruits, or whatever. And I'm gonna try it now. So delicious. Like, share, subscribe this video. Write in the comment section down below if it's yummy or not. Goodbye.